Just an inventory of new gear. The Rode Wireless Go version 2. Various cables, instruction manual. We got the regular TRS cable. We have a USB-C to USB. These are probably chargers. USB-C to USB, yeah, because there's 3 units in here. Then we got a neoprene case. And then the unit itself. Got 3 dead cats. Looks like one of the microphones. Transmitter. And the second microphone. So that's what's inside the box. These dead cats are new and improved because they now twist on and lock. Yeah, that's definitely a better connecting point than the old one that just you push in, it's friction held. This one, it actually locks in. Then you have an extra one right there. So there you go. That's the unboxing of the Rode Rode Wireless Go version 2.